Discover the PA53 MET Series microscopes. Precision metallographic microscopy for industrial excellence. The PA53 MET Series delivers the perfect balance of optical performance, ergonomic design, and digital innovation, setting a new standard for industry applications. With advanced S-Apo optics, a modular platform, motorized stages, a motorized nosepiece, and precision Z-axis systems, it ensures clarity, reliability, and confidence in demanding industrial and research environments. Built for comfort and efficiency in extended sessions, the PA53 MET features a 20-degree inclined viewing head that supports natural posture. Optional large stages and precision-machined nosepieces for bright field, dark field, or DIC ensure flexibility and accuracy. With stable LED illumination and a robust anti-vibration frame, it delivers comfort, stability, and reliable performance in demanding environments. The PA53 MET microscopes support bright field, dark field, polarization, DIC, and fluorescence, ensuring clear results across different inspection needs. Quick switching makes transitions easy, while the polarization system highlights stress patterns and material properties. With Nomarski DIC delivering near 3D imaging of fine textures and an optional fluorescence module for specialized tasks, the PA53 MET adapts seamlessly to any application. Efficiency is optimized by motorized stage, a motorized nosepiece, and Z-axis control that provides smooth positioning and precise focusing. The 3D profiling system combines layered images into detailed topographic profiles, while autofocus manages varying depths with ease. Guided by an ergonomic control pad, the system ensures accurate, reliable, and accessible automated inspection for both research and industry. The PA53 MET Series integrates advanced digital tools for analysis, documentation, and sharing. With Analysis MET software, it provides precise measurement and inspection functions, supported by live multi-focus and live tiling for sharp panoramic views. Paired with Moticam S cameras for accurate color and detail, it delivers a complete high-performance imaging solution for material analysis. Trusted in material analysis, quality control, and failure investigation, the PA53 MET Series enables precise examination of metals, alloys, and other materials, detecting defects, irregularities, and structural variations that may affect performance. In automotive and aerospace, it ensures the safety and reliability of components and composites. In metallurgy and materials analysis, it evaluates the microstructure of metals and alloys for strength and durability. In electronics, it inspects microchips, solder joints, and PCBs to maintain production quality. It also supports the inspection of plastics and polymers, detecting defects and processing irregularities to guarantee materials meet required standards. For industrial forensics, the PA53 MET provides high-resolution insights into fractures, corrosion patterns, wear marks, and contamination, helping optimize processes and ensure long-term product reliability. PA53 MET Series, setting new standards in metallographic microscopy. Learn more at moticeurope.com.